Don't judge.
Hello, my name is Conor Finnerty-Esmonde and I play Con.
My name is Clauson and I play Nina.
So this play is a modern adaptation of Anton Chekhov's The Seagull, based on an aspiring writer who is kind of battling with a lot of things throughout the show, and also trying to find himself as an artist.
He gave me that gift, and now he's right here, and he seems to like me. Well, we were talking last night and I got weak in the knees. That is a thing that actually happened. My knees got weak. He touched my arm right here for like 2 seconds, and I swear it burnt me.
So coming to see the show, you can expect some really heartfelt moments. You can expect some really funny moments, some really kind of bizarre moments. We've been given a really beautiful set and really gorgeous lights to work with and beautiful costumes.
This is a modern adaptation of a play that a lot of people, and a playwright that a lot of people find sort of inaccessible in today's day and age. And the writer did a very careful job of making it not only accessible but very much prevalent to what is happening today, so that we can understand the comedy of what was written by Chekhov so many years ago.
Life is a muddle, life is a chore.